Hello everyone, we will be studying today PCM with noise. In PCM, the noise is due to two reasons. One is channel noise and the other is called as quantization noise. The reconstructed message contains two types of noise in case of PCM, quantization noise, decoding noise. Decoding noise is a random noise added to PCM signal at the receiver. It causes regeneration errors that appears as erroneous digits in the code word. The expression for decoding noise power. Let's consider a binary PCM with uniform quantization. Let's say we have n number of bits per samples and PCM is having very small bit error probability PE. Probability of a particular bit in error is called as bit probability. When PE is much less than 1, the probability of error in a given word is given as P is equal to n times PE, where n is the number of bits per sample. If we consider the PCM word bits from B0, B1, Bn-2, Bn-1 and so on, there is error in the nth bit, then the decoded code word is shifted by plus or minus delta 2 raised to m. For example, the transmitted code word is 00001000. The error has occurred at bit B0 bit. Therefore, the received code word is 401001. Thus, the decoded code word is shifted by plus or minus delta 2 raised to 0, which results in plus or minus delta. That is, the error is by one step, and therefore error in the nth bit is given by epsilon m is equal to plus or minus delta 2 raised to m. The random bit error can be obtained by mean square value over v bit position. The mean square value is denoted as epsilon bar square, which is given as, you have to take the mean of it, square of it. So when we take mean square value, the expression is written as summation m equal to 0 to v minus 1 delta into 2 raised to m bracket square divided by v. We know that delta is given as 2 x max by q. The maximum value of the signal, we take it as 1. So this gives us summation m equal to 0 to v minus 1 2 upon q multiplied with 2 raised to m bracket square divided by v, which further reduces to 4 upon vq square summation m equal to 0 to v raised to minus 1 4 raised to m. Now we know that summation m equal to 0 to v minus 1 4 raised to m can be written as 4 raised to 0 minus 4 raised to v minus 1 plus 1 upon 1 minus 4, which reduces to 4 raised to v minus 1 upon 3. Therefore, epsilon bar square becomes 4 upon 3v square 3vq square multiplied with 2 raised to 2v minus 1. If we assume the value of q square much greater than 1, then epsilon bar square becomes 4 upon 3v. The decoding noise power is defined as summation sigma d square. Sigma d square is the mean square value of noise multiplied with one error in word. That is how decoding noise power is defined. So sigma d square is given as epsilon bar square into t, which is also given as 4 upon 3v into v times pe, since we have calculated the value of epsilon bar square. So this reduces the expression to 4 upon 3 pe. Therefore, the total noise power in PCM is given as quantization noise plus decoding noise. Quantization noise is epsilon bar square, decoding noise is sigma d square. Epsilon bar square we have calculated as 4 upon 3 PE, sorry, we have calculated as delta square upon 12 plus 4 by 3 PE. So this expression after simplification reduces to 1 plus 4 PEQ square upon 3Q square. Now the signal to noise ratio of PCM can be defined as the signal power, we take it as Sx. We know the noise power in PCM now, which we have calculated in the previous slide. So it is 1 plus 4 PE square upon 3Q square, and thus the signal to noise ratio of the PCM waveform with noise is given as 3Sx upon 4 PE for 4 PE square much greater than 1. If the value of 4 PEQ square is much less than 1, then this term can be neglected and the signal to noise ratio reduces to Sx into 3Q square. That's all for now. More to come to your way. Thank you.